Hello world, welcome back to my channel. I am Sahil and we are developing an e-commerce project using Laravel 10. And in previous video you have already seen how I worked on home and categories page to make them dynamic. Now today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this products page dynamic. So here I will first fetch all the products from database and display with a pagination. After that I will also fetch these categories and brands from the database and list here. Okay. So before going to start on this page, let me show you one bug from the previous videos. Actually this bug was reported by one of my subscriber. So let me show you the bug first. So if you go to home page or any other page and let me decrease the screen size. Now here you can see this is the hamburger menu, and if I click this hamburger menu then you can see the mobile navigation is not showing. Okay. And if I reload the page manually from here and then try to open the mobile navigation, then it is working. Okay, but again if we go to any other page like this categories page and again try to access the mobile navigation from this hamburger menu, then it is not working. This is happening because of wire navigate. So let's find out how we can fix this bug. So to fix this bug we have to initialize the JavaScript which is needed by this navbar component. Okay, and this navbar component is from preline.co. So to fix the issue, let me first open Livewire 3 official documentation, then go to this navigate and then click on this don't rely on DOM content loaded. Here you will find this piece of code. Actually this is an event livewire navigated. Okay, so let me show you here. So if you click on any of the link where you have used wire navigate, like I have used wire navigate in all the navigation item. So if I click on home, then you can see the home page is loaded, but now if I click the hamburger menu, then the mobile navigation is not working because the JavaScript of this navbar is not initialized. So we have to initialize when the Livewire navigated event occurs. Okay, so let's copy this code, open your project. I have already started the dev server of Laravel 10 and also npm run dev. Now close this terminal and open resources directory, then go to this js directory and open this app.js file. Just paste this code here, and here what we have to do is we have to initialize the preline components. Okay, so here we have to use window.hs static methods dot auto init method. Now this piece of code will initialize all the preline component which requires JavaScript code when the Livewire wire navigated. Okay, so let me save this file, and now if I reload the page here and try to access the mobile navigation, then it is working. Now if I go to categories page and click on this hamburger menu, then it is working properly. Okay, now if I go to carts page and click, then you can see it is working properly. So the bug is fixed now. Now let's move on to this products page. Okay, so let me close this one and open your project. So let's close this file also. So first I will go to this app directory, then this Livewire directory, then here I will find this products page.php file. So this is the Livewire class. From here we will write all the business logic for products page. Okay, so first I will write I will give a title to this page. So here I will use title, and here I will write products, and then I will write the code menu, my channel name. Now if I save and go to the browser, then you can see the title has been updated. Make sure to import this title class. Okay, now inside this render method, what I will do is I will make a query to fetch all the products from the database. Okay, so here I will write product query is equal to product model, then I will write query method, and here I will chain where method, and here I will write is active is equal to 1. okay, now in view I will pass as array with paginate, and here I will write 6. okay, so in Livewire, when you are using paginate, then you have to use one trait inside the class. okay, so which trait? So here just write use with pagination. okay, you have to use this trait and make sure to import this line. okay, now save this. Now we have to go to resources directory, then this views directory, then this Livewire directory. So this is our products page blade file. Now here what I will do is I will find the products section. I think this is the product section. So if I so these are the static products, so I will keep only one static product and I will remove all other. So let's so just select all except one and remove. Now let me select and cut. Now here first I will use for each loop, and here I will write products as singular product, and I will paste all the code here. okay, now if I go to the browser, then you can see only 6 same static product is showing here. okay, so what we can do is let's first see this anchor tag. So here you can see we have to use product then slug. So when we click on any of the product, then it will be redirected to the detailed page of the product with the slug in the URL. okay, and later we will get the details of only this product using this slug and make this detailed page dynamic. okay, so let me first work on this products page. okay, now next I will change this static image, and here I will write URL, and then I will write a storage, and here I will write product images. Now every product contains more than one images. okay, so here I will display the first image. So in array I will write 0. If I save this, then you can see all the first image is showing only. okay, now in alt I will write product name, and here in product name I will display product name same. okay, if I save, then you can see the product name has been updated. Now similarly here I will display the product price. So I will remove this one, and here I will use number class, and then I will use currency method. Here I will write product price. Now if I save this, then you can see all the product price is showing in dollar, but I will display in INR. So I will write INR. By default it is display in dollar USD format, but I will display in INR format, so you can see the rupee symbol is now showing. okay, now let's work on this pagination. So for pagination, actually here if you scroll below, then you will find pagination start. So let me okay, so here what I will do is I will remove all the codes inside this div. okay, so I will select this nav only and remove. Now inside this div I will use products, and then I will write links method. If I save and reload the browser, then here you will find the pagination. Now if I click, then you can see we are on second page and we can go to page 1. Okay, now let's see how to fetch these categories and brands from the database and list here. Okay, so for this let's go to products page.php file, and here I will write another array key for brands, and here I will write brands. Actually here I will write brand model, and then here I will use where method, and I will write is active 1, and in get I will only require id, name and slug. So just I'll fetch only these column id, name and slug. Similarly for categories, let's duplicate this, and here I will write categories, and instead of brand here I will write category model. Okay, and this column will be same, and all column inside get method will be also same. Okay, save, and now go to products blade page. Now scroll up, and here first you will find the categories section. So here you can see this is the category section, and here you can see inside the UL you will see these are the statics like smartphone, laptops, smartwatches and television. So here what I will do is I will remove all except one. So remove all, and I will only loop this li. So here I will write for each @ for each, and here I will write categories, and here just write the singular category, paste the li. Now first inside this li I will use wire key is equal to category id. Okay, and for label in for attribute I will write category slug, and in input I will also use id, and in id I will use category slug, and in value I will use category id. In value I will write category id. Okay, and then in this span here I will display the name. So here I will write category name. If I save this and go to the browser, then if I reload, then you can see we have laptops, smartphone, smartwatches and television. So it is now fetched from the database and listed here. Okay, similarly we have to do for these brands. So let's remove all the static brands. So let's remove, and only keep one. Cut this alive, use for each. Here I will write brands, and just write brand, paste all the code here, and first I will use wire key, and here I will write brand id. Now in label I will write brand slug, copy the same thing. Here I will use one id, and I will use the same brand slug, and then I will use value, and inside the value I will write a brand id, and here in span I will write brand name. If I save this and reload, then you can see all the brand is now listed here: Apple, Samsung, OnePlus, Xiaomi. Okay, right now the filter is not working. We will work on filter in next video. Okay, now next I think no need to fetch these in stock or on sale. This can be static. I will make it dynamic in the filter video. Okay, and also this price filter. Okay, one thing I missed here in products. So in the parent div element, let's use wire key, and here just write product ID. Okay, if I save, then here you can see all the listings are now dynamic in the products page. Like these are the products, and also categories, brands are dynamic. Okay, now let's work on product detail page. Okay, so from here, if you click on any of the product, then you can see it is redirecting to the detailed product page, and this is the static one. And in URL you will find this product, the current product slug in the URL. If I go back and if I click on this, then you will see we are getting the slug of the product, okay, in the URL. Now to make this dynamic, what we can do is first open web.php file, and here you can see this is the route which is responsible for the detailed product page. Okay, so here instead of products I will write slug. Okay, now again if I reload, then nothing happens. Okay, so to make this product detail page dynamic, we have to open this product detail page blade file, and also this product detail page Livewire class. Okay, so here first I will display a different title. So here I will use title product detail decode mania, and then inside this render method I will query to get the current product from the using the slug. Okay, but before we have to get the slug, so here I have to define a property with name slug, and then I will also define public function mount method, and here I will write slug, and then I will use return. I think no need to write return here, just use this this slug, and we have to initialize the slug, this slug property value, whatever we get here in the URL. Okay, so this mount method will run when the page first loaded, and it will get the slug from the URL and initialize to this public property slug. Okay, now next what I will do is I will go here, and inside this array I will write product, and then I will write product model, and here I will use where, and in where I will use this slug, and then I will write this slug. So I will access this slug, so whatever will be the value inside this public property I will access using this. And then if I save and go to the products detail product space, actually this is the product space, so let me open product detail page. Okay, so this is the product detail page. Okay, now here let me okay, so let me just write product and see. Okay, so here you can see we are getting all the details of the product. Okay, so we have to render all the details in this product detail page. So here you can see this is the main image. Okay, so first by default we will display the main image of the product here. Okay, so let's remove this static image URL, and here I will use this, and then I will use URL storage, and then here I will write product images, and in array I will write 0. Okay, now if I reload, then you can see this is the main image of the product. Now all these are the thumbnails of the image. so we have to remove all and keep only one. So remove all these ones here, from here. And now here I will use for each loop, because in images the column we have multiple images for a single product. So here I'll write for each, and then I'll write product images, and here I will write image, singular image. Okay, and I will cut this and paste inside the for each loop. So on X on click event, I will change the main image URL. Okay, so here I will write again, here I will write URL, then storage, and here I will write only image. Okay, and in thumbnail preview, here I will display the image preview. So here I will write URL, storage, and then image. Okay, I think this is done. We can also give this alt a value. So here I will write product name. Okay, here we can write product name, and if I reload the browser, then you can see all the images. Now if I click this image, then you can see the image is changing. If I click on this image, then you can see image is not changing. Let me open another product. So let me open this Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. So you can see all the images of this product is showing here in the thumbnail, and if I click, then you can see the image in full preview is showing here. So images is now dynamic. Now let's make dynamic all these title, price, and this description. So for the title, what we can do is, so here you can see this is the title. So here I will display the product name. So you can see the product name is updated. Now let's work on this price. So here I will use number class, then currency method, and here I will write product price, and I will use INR. Now if I save this, then you can see the product price is displaying in rupees. Okay, we have no discounted price etc. So I will comment this line of code. So you can see this is now removed. Now here we have to display the product description. So let me remove all this static text, and here I will write product description. If I save this, then you can see we are getting all the product description, but in admin panel side we have used markdown editor, and here you can see the markdown is not rendering properly. Okay, so to render markdown description, what we can do is, let's cut this. Here I will use this, and here I will use str class, then I will use markdown function, and here I will write product description. Actually this markdown method will convert markdown into HTML. Now if I save this, then you can see this is in bold. So this is showing in bold, and actually in admin panel we have used all these with a bullet list actually, but bullet is not showing. So in Tailwind CSS by default all bullet is now hidden, so we have to make this enable. So here you can see for this element, this is the parent element. Okay, so you can see this is the parent element, and here in this parent element I will give some Tailwind class. So here I will use and then descendant ul, and here I will use list style, or simply list disk. Okay, now if I save, then you can see the bullet point. Okay, now I will also give one more class, ampersand ul, and then here I will use ml margin left 4, so it will be aligned properly. Okay, so you can see, so all is done in the product detailed page also. So that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to work on product filter. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit on like button and please subscribe my channel.